Today I will be talking about Skyward's Family Access. Family Access is a password-protected, web-based service that empowers parents or legal guardians to access vital school information at any time through a computer or mobile device. The Harlem School District provides all families with a Family Access login through email. You can get to Family Access from our district webpage at harlem122.org. If you have not received a login for Skyward's Family Access, you can submit a request through our district website. Once you are on the website, harlem122.org, go to Parents and Community and click on Skyward Family Access. Then click on Family Access Request Form. Read the information carefully, fill in the blanks, and submit the form. Once you've done this, you should receive an email fairly quickly with your login information. Then you can go back to our Harlem website and click the icon at the top. It says Skyward Family and Student. This takes you right to the login page for Skyward. I'm going to sign in as a parent. If you forget your login or password, you can go to this link below, follow the steps to have an email sent to you with that information. I'm going to click on Sign In. And here we are. Now that I've signed in to Family Access, the first thing I notice is the message feed. I can use the message feed to see messages from the school or the district in the order in which they were entered. I can see all of my children's notifications at once, or I can choose to view one of my children's information by itself. Up at the top, you'll see a drop-down if you have more than one child in the system. Upcoming events are listed on the right for an at-a-glance peek at what's coming up in your school or your district. The calendar shows absences, district events, and assignments. To report an absence for your child, I can click on the Attendance tab on the left. Be sure that you have the right child's name in the student box at the top. I can then click on Enter Absence Request and Add Request. Today's date will automatically pop up, and it is also set for the entire day. Click the down arrow for the reason and select Illness. You can also type a comment if you want, and then click Save. I click the X to get out. Once the school receives the request, the color-coded absence will appear in the calendar, right in here, after they have confirmed the absence. Now, if you need to report an absence other than illness, you'll need to call your school. Now let's go into Gradebook. By clicking on Gradebook at the left, I can see the teacher's gradebook for my child. Again, you can switch between your children at the top. I can easily communicate with my child's teachers by clicking on her name. I then click on her email address, and I can type my email and send it off. The gradebook screen shows me all of the classes that my child is enrolled in. For elementary students, each subject that is being taught is considered a class. The first screen shows the grade for each class. What you don't see in this first screen is what comprises the grade for each class. This is when you need to go a step further and take a look at the actual assignments, the tests, the projects, the homework that were entered into the gradebook to make up the grade for that test. The yellow area is the current term that we are in now. I'm going to click on the blue linked letter grade. By clicking on this link, I'm going to get a detailed list of all the work that has been entered as a grade. There's a lot of information here. I can click on the assignment description for more detail. I can see the points earned out of points possible for each assignment, which generates the grade for that assignment. Notice that my child has an N in her English grade. I want to know why, right? Well, oftentimes, teachers will put in more information. You can see right here an assignment is missing. It wasn't turned in, and there's also a comment from the teacher. I can click on the comment and read. The comment says, still needs to turn paper in. Now, some teachers won't put it in as a 0. They'll just mark it missing. But I know a lot of teachers will put it in as a 0 because zeros tend to get more attention. I can also view the grade marks if I want to know what the points are that make up the grades. Click on the link, and here is a legend that will explain. If I want to print this record, I print right here. And I'm going to close it right now. So by looking into each grade, I can get a better understanding of my child's progress. I can also go straight to missing assignments. This will give me a list of all the assignments that are missing for each class. Right now I see that my child is missing one assignment. It tells me what the assignment is. I can click on it for a description. It tells me the class, the teacher, when it was due. If there are more, I can click on Show All, and it'll give me a list of all of those missing assignments. You can also install the Skyward mobile app on your iOS or Android device. This app allows you to see the same info concerning grades and attendance for each of your children. I hope this gives you a better understanding of some of the many options available to you in Family Access. Thanks for watching.